Good evening, everybody. Today I would like to talk to you about fashion. Serbian people love fashion, both women and men. And when we go to work, we like to look good, but especially during the night or at night, we like to dress very, very well. This means that women should wear heels or nice shoes when they go out, and of course, men should wear suits or something more elegant. Serbian ladies love to wear dresses and to look like supermodels. We have a lot of beautiful women and men, of course, like many people around the world. But in Serbia, I think that we put extra effort into the physical appearance. So I heard the same applies to Brazil and Italy and so on, but now I'm talking about Serbia only. We like branded clothes. We do have some brands that are popular coming from the United States and some British brands and so on, but I still believe that Italian fashion is mostly loved amongst Serbian people. I believe that the same applies to Montenegro as well, Albania, and so on. But as I said, now I'm talking about Serbia only. Serbian ladies love makeup as well, but we will talk about that next time. When you come to Serbia, you should try to look good if possible, because you will make more friends faster, easier, and people will approach you rather more easily than if you don't. That is my honest opinion. Why it's so important in Serbia to look good, I don't have any special explanation, but that is how it is. I noticed myself that when I do put makeup and when I try to look good and when I don't, I get completely different treatment. So we have a lot of shopping malls, especially in Belgrade, but we also have a lot of shopping malls in Novi Sad, Niš, and so on. I advise you to buy all the things that you need in Serbia because they are much cheaper than in other countries, and we have superb quality as well. That is all I can say about fashion for the time being, because I want my videos to be very short but effective. So this is basically what I wanted to tell you. Dress to impress before coming to Serbia or when you are on your way here, because we do love fashion so much. Now I'm going to say all of this in... oh, by the way, in Serbia, we do not have lunch breaks of half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, or any amount of hours. So that you will be able to shop anytime you want when you come to Serbia. Shops are never closed. Our shops are open so that customers can always come and buy something. That is all I wanted to say for now. So I'm going to say all of this in Serbian so that my people can understand me as well. Dobro večer svima. Danas želim da pričam sa vama o modi u Srbiji. Znači, ljudi u Srbiji obožavaju modu. Mi volimo i brendove iz Amerike, iz Engleske i tako dalje. Ali najviše volimo i mislim i dalje marke koje dolaze iz Italije i italijanski kvalitet. Mislim da je to isto tako i u Albaniji, u Crnoj Gori, ali sada pričam samo o Srbiji, tako da mislim da pre nego što dođete u Srbiju trebali biste dobro da razmislite gde ćete da šopingujete, šta ćete da kupite. U svakom slučaju možete kupiti u bilo koje vreme stvari kod nas, zato što mi za razliku od Italije, Španije i nekih tako zemalja nemamo pauze za ručak i zatvaranje radnji u bilo koje doba dana, već su kod nas uglavnom stalno radnje otvorene, tako da ćete moći da uživate u šopingu kod nas i ja vas savjetujem da to i uradite, da kupujete kod nas zato što su stvari mnogo jeftinije, a jako su visokog i dobrog kvaliteta. Tako da u svakom gradu, znači i u Nišu i u Kragujevcu i u Kraljevu i u Beogradu, svuda ima shopping molova, svuda su cene pristojne, dobre, stvari su originalne, tako da to je moj savjet vama da kad god ste u prilici dođete u Srbiju, u Beograd i ostale gradove u shopping. Kada izlazite uveče, bilo bi dobro da se lepo obučete, to znači da bi žene trebale da nose neke svečanije cipele na štiklu, muškarci uvek elegantnije neka odela, možda i neke lepše cipele, zato što će od toga zavisiti koliko lepo će se ljudi ophoditi prema vama, to pričam iz ličnog iskustva, znači primetila sam kako me tretiraju ljudi kad se ne sredim i kad se sredim. Znači u Srbiji je i dalje jako bitan fizički izgled, svidelo se to nekome ili ne, to je tako. Eto, to bi bilo sve za sada, ja želim da moji videi budu kratki, ali da imaju da budu efektni, znači da vidim neke rezultate, da li ste do sad mene pratili, da li ste naučili ono što sam pričala do sada. Hvala vam i vidimo se sutra.